Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Looks like it might even be a mixed fields, like that piece. Definitely sort of Koroit Yawa area. These I don't know. Anyway, we're just going a bit closer so you get a better look. The rules in millimetres. The material has been wetted to help highlight the colours and patterns. Okay, we'll start off with this piece of Koroit. Fine colour bar around the outside there. Basically what you see is what you get then. Possibly cut that in half and make two similar earrings. Again, can't make earrings probably, but there is a little bit of a seam there, but it doesn't seem to go very far. This is probably the best piece in there. These are just little faces that you can see. Nothing else. This might polish up a bit better. Bit of salmon pinks and that in there. Perhaps a little bit of Dremel work. Get rid of some of the sandstone. So I don't think it'd polish. Smear rope on the outside. Seam there. Grind this off and you might end up with a bit more colour. Stone's been cut and broken. Could reshape, take that side off there and end up with quite a nice little stone. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.